Hello, welcome to my channel. In previous video we have discussed the chain rule and few examples using a chain rule. Today let us discuss these more complex questions using chain rule and their solution. So the first question is y is equal to 3x square plus sine x cube whole raised to 5. Okay, and let me write a chain rule here. If we have a function y is equal to f of g of x, then f is called the outer function and g is called the inner function. So its derivative would be dy over dx is equal to derivative of the outer function f prime, inner function will stay as it is, and in the multiplication we will write the derivative of the inner function g prime x. Okay, so this is the chain rule. This rule we are going to use here. So in our question 5 is in the exponent, so this is an outer function, and 3x square plus sine x cube is the inner function, and inside sine also we have x cube. So if we talk particularly about sine x cube, sine is the outer function and x cube is the inner function. Let us see how we can apply the chain rule here. So we will have dy over dx is equal to 5, which is an exponent, we will write in the multiplication in front. The whole inner function will stay as it is. So 5 3x square plus sine x cube as it is, and in the exponent we will reduce it by 1. So 5 minus 1 would be 4. Now in the multiplication we will write the derivative of this inner function. So derivative of 3x square would be 3 times 2x, and to differentiate sine x cube we will use chain rule once again. So derivative of outer function sine would be cos, inner function x cube will stay as it is, and in the multiplication we will write the derivative of x cube, which is 3x square. Okay, so our derivative is done. Now we just need to simplify it. So it would be 5 times 3x square sine x cube whole raised to 4, and here we can factor out this 3 from both the terms. So times 3, inside the parenthesis we will have 2x plus this x square and cos x cube. Okay, once again we can simplify this. We can just multiply 5 and 3, so it would be 15, and everything else will stay as it is. So sine x cube whole raised to 4, in another parenthesis we have 2x plus x square cos x cube. Okay, this is our derivative. Okay, now let us take one more question. Y is equal to ln e raised to 2x cube plus 5x plus x square. Okay, so here natural log is the outer function, and in the natural log the inner function is e raised to 2x cube plus 5x plus x square. And if we talk about this exponential function only, then exponential function e is the outer function, and inside it 2x cubed plus 5x is the inner function. So first let us write the derivative of the outer function ln. The derivative of ln is 1 over whatever is inside the ln. So 1 over e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x plus x square. Now in the multiplication we will write the derivative of the inner function. So in the inner function the first step is e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x. So derivative of exponential function is as it is. So e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x will stay as it is. In the multiplication we will write the derivative of this inner function 2x cubed plus 5x, which is 2 times derivative of x cubed would be 3x square plus derivative of 5x would be just 5. Okay, so we are done with this e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x and plus derivative of x square would be just 2x. Okay, so our derivative is done. Now we have to just simplify it, or we can write in a better way. So it will be 2 3x square plus 5 e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x plus 2x whole divided by e raised to 2x cubed plus 5x plus x square. This is the final answer. Now let us take one more question. The question is y is equal to cos cube 5x square plus tan x. Okay, this function can also be rewritten as cos 5x square plus tan x whole cube. Okay, now let us find the derivative of this function. So dy over dx is equal to, this exponent 3 is the outer function and cosine is the inner function. And if we talk particularly about this cosine function, then cosine is the outer function and 5x square plus tan x is the inner function. So first let us find the derivative of this exponent. So it would be 3 cosine 5x square plus tan x whole raised to 3 minus 1, which is 2. In the multiplication we will write the derivative of cosine. Its derivative would be sine minus sine. So minus sine 5x square plus tan x. And once again in the multiplication we will write the derivative of this 5x square plus tan x. So it would be 5 times 2x plus derivative of tan x would be sec square x. So sec square x. And we are done with the derivative. Just let us simplify this. So it would be 3 cosine 5x square plus tan x whole square times this minus sign we can write in front of 3, so minus 3 times sine 5x square plus 10x times 5 times 2 is 10, so 10x plus sec square x. Okay, so this is the final answer. And now let us see the last one question. Y is equal to 1 over square root sine square 2x plus e raised to x square. Okay. So dy over dx would be, first let us rewrite this function as an exponent because we want to convert this square root in the exponent. Okay, so it would be sine square 2x plus e raised to x square whole raised to minus 1 over 2. Square root can be written as the power of 1/2, and since it is in the denominator, it would be minus sign will be there. So it would be minus 1 over 2. Now let us find dy over dx. So using exponent rule, it would be minus 1 over 2 exponent rule or power rule. So it would be minus 1 over 2 sine square 2x plus e raised to x square whole raised to minus 1 over 2 minus 1 would be minus 3 over 2. And in the multiplication we will write the derivative of this inner function. So first step is sine square 2x. So sine square is the outer function. So it would be 2 sine raised to 2 minus 1 which is 1. So 2 sine 2x. In the multiplication, the derivative of the sine would be cosine. So cos 2x. In the multiplication, the derivative of 2x would be just 2. So we are done with the derivative of this sine square 2x using a chain rule, and plus the derivative of e raised to x square would be e raised to x square as it is. Now using a chain rule we will go in the power. In the power we have x square, so its derivative would be just 2x. Okay, now we have to simplify this. So it would be minus 1 over 2 sine square 2x plus e raised to x square whole raised to minus 3 over 2. In the parenthesis we will have 2 times 2 would be 4. So this is 4 sine 2x times cos 2x plus 2x e raised to x square. Okay, so this is the final answer and we are done with all the 4 questions. Hope this video will help you to understand the chain rule.